Hello viewers, Google Drive document scanning feature just got a useful upgrade on Android. Now I want to tell you about another update that Google is roll out. This one is about Google Vids. Google Vids is their new AI powered video creation app. According to the Google, it is a tool that helps with writing, producing and editing videos all in one place. Google Vids is a part of Google Drive. You can open it by selecting Google Vids inside Drive, which will bring up to editor. Until now, Google Vids was only available with a paid subscription, but Google has just announced that the basic version of Google Vids is now free for anyone with a personal Google account. I think this is a really positive step. The free version is Google Explain, includes all the main editing tools but doesn't include AI features. This means you can still do things like cut clips and text, organize your story and more. If you would like some guidance on how to use it, Google has uploaded a videos on Vids tutorial series on YouTube. There are 9 short videos that plan different features. Personally, I think this is a great move, having a simple built-in video editor available for everyone inside Google Drive, making things much easier for people already using Google ecosystem. Just want to share the update in case you didn't know, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.